Welcome everyone. The first step to put a screen protector on your S23 Ultra is we need to clean the screen to just remove any dust or hair particles, etc. So regardless of the screen protector, there should be a screen cleaning kit which you can open up. And so in this case we have this one here. And so we have the wet wipes, we have a cloth, and then we have a dust absorber, which is just a sticker. So what we're going to do first is we're going to open up the wet wipes like this. And we're going to use the wet wipes just to clean the screen, remove some dust, remove some smudges, stuff like that. And don't worry, the S23 Ultra screen is water resistant. It's not going to cause any damage. And this is also cleaning alcohol, so you really don't need to worry. So we just do a quick clean over like this. Okay. Once we've done that, we're going to get the cloth. Just going to rub it against the display. So what we're trying to do is we're just trying to remove the smudges. Try and get some dust off, but you don't really need to worry too much. We just want to make the screen look squeaky clean. So I'd say that is good enough. From here, I would recommend you get an old phone with a flashlight, because we're just trying to see where all of the dust particles are, all that stuff. So I see some dust here and here, and I could only see that with the flashlight. So we're going to get the dust absorber, and you just want to place it on top of the area with dust. Say like this, rub it down. Remember the S23 Ultra is curved, and then pull up. So I see more dust here, so I rub over the dust and then pull up. Okay. And you just want to keep on doing this until you have a squeaky clean phone. Do keep in mind, I recommend you do this over a table, because if you're doing this on like your bed, dust will just keep on coming back, and that will get very annoying very quickly. So I'm going to get the flashlight again, and let's see a dust particle there, one particle here. I'm just going over. Again guys, just get the phone with a flashlight. That is usually the best way to see these particles, because once the screen protector's on, you don't really have any way to remove these particles. So once the screen is clear, we now need to get the screen protector itself. And real quick, I'm just going to check that there's no dust that creeped in. And there was some dust that creeped in since all those movements. So just going to go through. Make sure you take your time here. You want the proper job done. One more here, you see, dust everywhere. Okay, so the final step is we're going to, you see this pull tab for the screen protector? Doing it the wrong way, so we'll do it the right way this time. We're going to pull this halfway. Okay, so pull the screen protector halfway. We're then going to plop the screen protector onto the screen like this, and we're just going to make sure everything matches. So I'm just checking all the four corners, and I believe that looks good. Does that look good? Just check it yourself. I'd say so. Yeah. So once you've done that, you press down the first half of the screen protector, lift up the other half, and just use this pull tab to pull, then release, and now you have installed the screen protector. Okay, so you're gonna have a lot of bubbles to deal with. Just use your fingers to push the bubbles out. Okay, got my metal cards here. So you just push down, and forwards. As you can see there was a big bubble. Now that is gone. Do like this. These are some small bubbles. Push across. And depending on how quickly the bubble's moving, you may need to move quite slowly to push the bubble out like this. I won't spare you me removing these bubbles here. You can see it's going to take quite a while, but you can notice if I just remove the dust which is actually on top of the screen protector, there are no dust particles below the screen protector, and you're also going to notice the finish was a very good job.